Last year I uploaded a video sharing experience of a fully synthetic engine oil in a 100cc motorcycle. To be precise, it was a 109cc powered Honda Dream Yuga. AMSOIL did the job very well, and once you get used to the superior experience of fully synthetic engine oils, it's hard to get back to the mineral ones. So after doing 3000 plus kilometers of daily commute, we decided to try a different oil this time. This was more than 6 months back when we went for Mobil 1 Racing 40 engine oil. The Racing 40 is marketed as advanced fully synthetic engine oil, and we went for the 10W40 grade. Just like every other oil brand, Mobil uses adjectives like outstanding and excellent to describe the properties of Racing 40. But if you're coming from a regular mineral or semi-synthetic engine oil, then you will definitely notice the difference with Racing 40. In our case, we were already switching from a fully synthetic engine oil, so catching the difference became a task. The gear shifts are still good with Racing 40, and the oil has managed to take both highway and traffic tortures without breaking a sweat. The highway performance and efficiency was rated better than the previous oil by my friend, and I think it's due to the 10W40 grade. The motorcycle still manages to touch 60 km per liter of fuel efficiency without putting much effort. The Mobil 1 Racing 40 meets with the API SM standard, which is superior to the API SL standard from the AMSOIL we used before. But what I like about AMSOIL is that we get the same oil which is made and sold in the US markets, unlike Exxon, which is already selling Mobil 1 Racing 40, which meets API SN standards in the US market, while here in India we are getting the old version of the Racing 40. I personally feel this is not fair, especially when Mobil 1's passenger car oils in India get timely updated. However, this engine oil is nowhere behind in terms of performance, and the viscosity index of 161 stands tall in front of the competition. In the past, I have used this same oil in my RTR 180, and this time it was on the Dream Yuga, where the oil gave satisfactory results on both the machines. If you want me to continue with these experiments, do let me know in the comment section. So that's it for this video, and I hope you have liked it.